Hi there, this is Mangi Chaitanya Kumar and welcome back to our YouTube channel Eternal Learning. In this video, I brought you about a portal which is less famous, but you got a lot of content on it. You can explore whatever you wanted. It has got mini streams, it has got many subjects to explore with. So without any further ado, let's get into the portal. So before that, the same thing, if this is the first time you're watching this channel, so please do subscribe, and also please do comment in the comment box if you want me to make a video on any particular subject or some particular portal. Just comment below so that I will make a video for you. So let's get into the portal. The first is a very famous portal but less known. Okay, so let's type Allison. So we are talking about the Allison portal. So already it is there, so just click on this. Yeah, just once you get this page, so this is the image, the brand image of this Allison education company. Just once you reach this, just click on this portal. It will lead us to the home page of Allison. See, it's a beautiful home page where you have information about all the things, like it has got course categories. We have around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, around 9 categories. We have different categories. We have from IT, language, science, health, humanities, business, math, marketing and lifestyle. Just you can explore all these things. So then we have a course types, the certificate courses. If you want to do only certification, yes we have. And if you just wanted to go with the diploma courses, you can do that. Learning paths, and also we can have the data about the courses you have completed. Everything will be given here. Also for the job related things, get career skill and guidance, find courses for specific job. But also they have a merchandise where you can buy the certificates, t-shirts, attestations, and it's a premier also there. But we only talk about the free one. So once you one by one we'll gradually learn about all these things. So first let's get into this. So just if you want to go with the courses, what if you want to see the free courses they are offering, you just will scroll it down. See, this is certificate and language course, English for tourism, hotel. Just if you click on this, I'm telling you about everything. So whatever field you are in, whatever subject you wanted to go with, you can go with that. So it is for tourism part, strengthen your customer service. What it gives us, what you can gain out of it is strengthen your customer service skills, studying English for hotels, travels and tourism with free course. Here introduction to Spanish, English for tourism. So a lot of things are there. So just we'll go with an IT part. If you are interested in the IT part, technological side, just click on this. I think my internet is a bit slow, so it will take some time for me to get, so please bear with me. Here it is. Now we are into IT courses, where in the IT courses we have, see, from network security, hardware, subcategories. We have a lot of subcategories where software development, game development, software tools, software engineering, data science, database, core IT skills. So one thing, let me tell you, if you have a problem with English, if you don't understand English, just follow my cursor, you will understand everything. Okay, no need to worry. Here we have a top 20 IT courses you can choose from. Diploma in ethical hacking, we will see one by one what is that. But no, I'll give you example in this video, then you can explore one by one if you are really interested in this course. So let's go with, we'll choose any one of the thing here. Let's go with the data science, which is emerging technology. Yes, so in the data science, so in this portal we have a lots of advertisements. That is less known, very famous portal. So we have a lot of ads in this, so let's neglect them. Now if you go to the data science, yes, click on this, continue learning. Yeah, it's everything about data science. Your overview of data science, learning and outcomes, what do you get out of it, what is the data science. Just click on this. If you want to go with it, just click on this, what is data science. Just for an example sake, I'm taking this, then scroll it. Yeah, so wait for a while. So remove ads, so that's a premium one. So start topic. So we'll directly go with the topic. So here is the topics. Just click on this. You will have a lot of videos.
Hi, welcome to the Data Science and Machine Learning's Essentials course. I'm Steve Elston.
And I'm Cynthia Rudin. My PhD is in applied computation.
Let me skip it forward as we do not have time. So you can go through this.
This is primarily BI
so each and
tools
every topic
fall
is being
into this
explained
category.
with
a lot of
images,
spreadsheet analysis.
with animation sort of thing, so that it would be
immediate
easy
right
for us
of
to
that, you see
understand.
real-time
So let me
analytics.
close
That's
this.
a growing area where there's a lot of streaming analytics systems, including in the Microsoft
Go back.
Cortana stack.
Yeah, if you want to be what is data science, another topic, or introduction to machine learning, or overview of data science, lesson summary, everything will be there. So we'll go to another course. We'll take up another course. Like if you want to go with the business side, so let's go with the business side. Just click on the business icon over here. Yeah, we're into business part. So in the business part, we have a human resource, operation, e-commerce, leadership and management, entrepreneurship, sales related. Let's check the sales related courses what we have in it. Yes, we have in the sales related courses we have retail management, merchandising, distribution, sales techniques, using competitive sales strategies required. So let's start this. Let's see, because I too didn't see this, so let's explore together. Customers compelling need to buy, learning outcomes. So start the topic. Let's start the topic here. Click on this. So whichever course you, so having completed this module, the learner will be able to, so what you will gain out of it, they are giving it. Just go through this, what you will be learning after completing this. So identify what the customers compelling need to buy is. Discuss the different people within a company that have influence and how influence is different to power in a company. Identify the different stage of the buying cycle and how it's all about sales. It's all about sales. You can go through this. And so one more thing, one more important feature of this portal is that yes, you can have the study reminders here. So Monday set timer where they will email you. They will remind you through emails that it's a time for study. Also, you can have the study notes. While going through the classes, while going through the video classes, you can make a note of it, and also you can download this, you can share this and save this. Okay, that's the best part of this, that you have study reminders, also study notes. You can maintain the study notes. So there are many things in the course categories. If you see, there are many things IT related. This all categories. If you choose all categories, you will get to know what are the subcategories. So let's choose with all categories. Will have this. In IT we have a network security, hardware, software. In languages, see you can learn English, Spanish, German. So I'll make another video on how to go about these languages and all these things. So German, Spanish, French. See, I have gone through one of the language here, German. I have gone through German language where they are explaining with animation sort of thing, so that make our life easy, and that would make us understand the subject very easily. So about the life science business part, as just now we have seen one of the part category in the business part where sales related, finance related, entrepreneurship, leadership management. So many things are there. Just explore this. You'll get to know a lot of things on this. So hope you like this video. Okay, so just explore this. Also, please do comment in the below if you like this video. Then also let me know if you want me to make a video on any particular subject, so that I would make a video for you. That's all about this Allison portal. So now we'll talking about another video in the subsequent videos. So I'm thinking of I'll be making videos about another portals where for the communication engineering and communication field, or mechanical engineering field. So I'll be making videos on those particular subjects also. So that's all for this video, guys. So please explore this portal. There's a lot of things are there in it. Instead of wasting time, instead of in the tough times, we are going through, almost everyone is going through a tough times due to this pandemic. So let's take advantage of it. Okay, so once again, let me remind you to subscribe my channel so that you will get intimated, and subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will will get intimated whenever I make a new video. And I'm now I'll be, so I'm making it sure that I'll be making videos on every Tuesday and Saturday. You'll be getting new videos on. Just check my once you click the bell icon, you will be get intimated, so no need to worry about that. Just do that, don't forget that. So that's all for the video, guys. Until the next video, we'll meet up in the next video. Till then, goodbye, thank you, take care.